Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. As usual, we first come to its statement. A distant galaxy is moving away from the Earth at such high speed that the blue hydrogen line at a wavelength of 434 nanometer, nano standing for 10 raised to the power minus 9 nanometer, is recorded at 600 nanometer in the red range of the spectrum. What is the speed of the galaxy relative to the Earth? Quite easy. Doppler effect will be applicable, and just by putting values, quite simple problem. Dear students, our problem will be based on this philosophy. Okay. Doppler effect, electromagnetic waves, source approaching observer. Here f is the frequency measured by observer. F is equal to under root c plus u over c minus u into f naught, where f naught is the frequency measured in rest frame of source. U is the speed of source relative to observer, and c is the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, f is the frequency measured by observer. Okay, our problem will be based on this philosophy. Okay, we will just put values in such equation. In various books, this equation has a negligible difference. Okay, sometimes f and f dash are used, and similar other minor changes. Okay, anyhow, equation is exactly same. Okay, this is the equation of Doppler effect. Okay, in this equation, using f equal to f naught c plus u over c minus u. Okay, the same expression, f is equal to f naught c plus u over c minus u. Okay, f equal to, the only difference is that we have written f naught prior to under root. Okay, this implies that in the next step we have shifted f naught on other side of equality. Okay, f over f naught becomes equal to c plus u over c minus u. This implies that if we take square of both sides, then under root will be cancelled, and we will get f over f naught square equal to c plus u over c minus u. Okay, here given values are, because dear students, frequency f is equal to c over lambda, so these two values of lambda are given. Okay, these values are given such that this value will be treated as f, while this value, that is 600 nanometer, will be treated as f lambda naught. Okay, f is equal to c over lambda, and f naught is equal to c over lambda naught. Okay, lambda is equal to 434 nanometer, while lambda naught is equal to 600 nanometer. This implies that 600 over 434 square, because nanometer will be cancelled with nanometer, c will be cancelled with c. Okay, because here both values in the denominator will be reversed, and it will be written as 434 nanometer over c multiplied by c multiplied by 600 nanometer over c. So c will be cancelled with c, nanometer will be cancelled with nanometer, and hence 600 divided by 434 square will become equal to c plus u over c minus u. Okay, this implies that when we divide 600 by 434 and then take its square, then it will become 1.9. okay, this factor has become equal to 1.9 and this factor is coming as it is, no change in it. okay, in the next step what we will do, we will shift c by u on other side of equality, and hence this 1.9 will be multiplied with this c and it will also be multiplied with this c. okay, 1 minus 1.9 c minus 1.9 u, and then this value will be shifted on other side of equality and it will become minus. okay, that is minus c minus u equal to 0. okay, now this implies that 0.9c, because from 1.9 when 1 will be subtracted, then 1.9 will be changed to 0.9. okay, 0.9c minus, but these two will be added because both have minus sign, negative sign, and we know that these will be added and their sign will remain negative. okay, so 0.9c minus 2.9 u equal to 0. This implies that u becomes equal to 0.3c. okay, and we know that value of c, that is speed of light, is 2.998 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and we usually write it as 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. okay, after simplification, just simplification, we will get 0.93 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. We can write this expression as 9.3 into 10 raised to the power 7 meter per second. okay, similarly we can also write it as 93 into 10 raised to the power 6 or 930 into 10 raised to the power 5. okay, and these are various ways to express this solution. Our problem has been solved successfully, alhamdulillah. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.